You talk about financial goals are time-based, and financial goals are based on your best. Now, this is what I mean. If I ask you, what is your financial goal? What goal do you want to achieve financially? Someone will want to say, I want to achieve 5 million naira in a month. I want to achieve 50 million naira, in a year. And I want to achieve 40 million naira in 3 months. Now, these are beautiful goals, and it is because everybody likes money. You want to call big figures, right? But your desire doesn't make up financial goals. That's not how it works. Now, let me show you how it works. When it comes to having financial goals, it comes with your best, which means you have to evolve with strategies. Now, to be able to advance in your finance, it is about evolution. And evolution is about how well you are able to make up strategies. Now, for a person that is into business or you're a career person, you can look at having about 2 or 3 people now working with you. Maybe you don't even have anybody working with you, but you may have about 2 or 3 people that you would employ to work with you, and then you will look at how best you can manage that. Now, that is a strategy, and you can have as many strategies as you can think of, so that this will bring out the best of you. Without thinking of evolution, with these strategies, then you'll be able to set goals, which means that those goals are based on how best you can move and based on how well you can handle what you are doing. So that's how financial goals are being set up. It is based on how best you have viewed that you can do what you can do. So based on this thing that you've now put, based on those strategies that you have now laid down now, you can now say, oh, I would be able to make 5 million naira in 6 months. Right? So you are now speaking based on what I just want, what I just desire. Financial goals is not by wishes, my dear. It's not by wishes. Financial goals are based on the strategy that are set. That is the way you evolve into having financial goals. You see that? As long as you can think, financial goals can evolve, right? And these financial goals are a trail to your financial advancement. These are routes to your financial advancement, right? So right here we've talked about financial goals. I want you to make do with this video. Set your goals aright. Think, sit down, get the best out of yourself first. Think about your best, and then be able to bring out financial goals. Subscribe to this channel and align your mental capacity to the literate world of finance. The journey is to financial advancement. See you and enjoy more of these videos.